Your phone could already be infected and you don't even know it. Today I'll show you two powerful antivirus apps that can protect your Android phone from viruses, hackers, and spyware. 100% trusted and easy to use. Let's start. App number 1, Bitdefender Antivirus Best for Beginners. What is Bitdefender? Bitdefender is one of the world's top cybersecurity companies, trusted by millions of users worldwide. Key features: real-time virus protection, app scan before you install, zero battery drain, no ads, no slowdowns, automatic protection in background. How to use Bitdefender step by step. Go to Play Store, search Bitdefender Antivirus Free, install and open the app. Tap on Scan. That's it, your phone is protected instantly. Best for normal users, beginners, people who want simple and fast protection. App number 2, Surface Intercept X Advanced Security. What is Intercept X? Intercept X is developed by Surface, a company that also protects banks and large companies. Powerful features: AI-based malware detection, web protection, blocks fake websites, app permission checker, Wi-Fi security scan, anti-spyware and anti-phishing, completely free. How to use Intercept X? Open Google Play Store, search Surface Intercept X, install and open the app. Allow required permissions, run a full security scan. Best for advanced user, privacy focused users, people who use public Wi-Fi. Bitdefender vs Intercept X quick comparison. Bitdefender simple, fast, lightweight. Intercept X advanced privacy at AI protection. My recommendation: if you want easy protection, choose Bitdefender. If you want maximum security, choose Intercept X. Important warning: never install antivirus apps from unknown websites. Always download from Google Play Store only. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to JK Future Tech for more tech tips, and comment below which antivirus do you use. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.